Spying on the big guys to get market ideas. When you're looking for market ideas for a new website or other project, you can shortcut a lot of the time and effort involved by simply swiping ideas from big companies. In this article, we're going to look at several ways you can spy on these companies and save yourself a lot of time. When we say big guys, we're talking about big companies, both online and offline. This includes websites such as eBay and Amazon, as well as traditional stores like Walmart and Costco. These companies have a ton of historical market research at their disposal, and they know what's going to sell at any given time of the year. They also know what new products are coming up well before the general public ever hears about them. One of the easiest ways to get ideas for your own niche websites is to simply watch what these companies are promoting at any given time. You can check out the home pages of Amazon and eBay to see what kind of products they're giving top billing on their websites. Those products are generally hot sellers, so you can often get ideas for sites of your own based on those products or general markets. Of course, you can do the same with physical stores like Costco and Walmart. They often stock products that are a couple of months ahead of when people will actually use them, so you can spy on them to see what they're selling. The lead time to get a website ranked and starting to generate traffic is very similar to the lead time these retailers follow, so you can often hit the sweet spot for traffic by staying on top of this information. For example, many people complain about how stores are selling Christmas goods earlier and earlier every year. Instead of getting frustrated about it, as a marketer, you should get excited. The stuff they're selling will give you a pretty good idea of what's going to be hot this year, and you can build your own websites about those very things. When people are going crazy about those topics a few short weeks before Christmas, your website could be sitting right at the top of Google, just waiting for them to click through and take an action that generates revenue for you.